Oh, my young friends, you ask me, what is mindfulness? It is not a thing you can touch, nor a book you can finish reading. Mindfulness is the art of being awake to this very moment. When you drink a cup of tea, do you really taste it? Or does your mind wander to yesterday's troubles and tomorrow's worries? Mindfulness is simply being here, now, fully, kindly, and without rushing. You see, most people live like they are sleepwalking. Their bodies are in one place, but their minds are somewhere else. Mindfulness wakes us up. It says, "Come back home." Learning mindfulness is like training a gentle puppy. You don't scold it when it runs away. You softly call it back. Let me show you 3 simple steps. Step 1, breathe. Close your eyes. Feel your breath moving in and out. Don't change it. Just notice it, like watching waves on the shore. This breath is your anchor. Whenever you feel lost, return to it. Step 2, observe. Open your eyes. Look around. See the colors, the shapes, the light. Listen. Really listen to the sounds. Maybe the birds, maybe the rustling leaves, maybe even your own heartbeat. This is the world as it truly is, before thoughts rush in to name it.
Step 3, accept. Sometimes the mind will wander.
That's okay.
Sometimes you'll feel joy. Sometimes pain. That's okay too.
Mindfulness is not about pushing things away. It's about welcoming everything, like an old friend at your door. And that, my dear ones, is mindfulness. Not a trick, not a secret, but a way of living. Each moment is a small miracle, and mindfulness is how we learn to see it. Now, let's take one more deep breath together. In and out. There. You've already begun.